Is uTrading a scam or a legitimate platform? That is one of the most questions asked by very many people out there, especially the people who are new in the business and those that are willing to join, and even those that are already in the business and are not seeing any progress. So we are going to look at the physical aspects first and then look at the digital aspects. And you need to watch this video to the end so that you get to know the truth about uTrading. I am not going to be favoring the platform. I'm going to give you the honest review. If you're new, enough for you. If you want to understand crypto in details, there's a website that I have pasted in the description below. That website has like 2 courses that will guide you, that will really help you to dive into the crypto space in detail. But then let's not waste a lot of time. Let me get straight to the video. Is uTrading a scam? Let's begin with the physical aspects. But if somebody asked me, is uTrading a scam? I would partly say yes and partly say no. Why? Watch the video to the end, of course. 1, if you landed into a wrong person, you will definitely lose your money. Remember, we are looking at the physical aspects. But then if you ask me, how do I get the right person? How do I identify the wrong person? It is very simple, and I'm going to explain this in detail. First, people that promote the business make it actually a scam or legit. If you hear somebody telling you buy gas of 1,000 and yet you have 1,000, that means you're not going to remain with any trading capital. You have been scammed already. If you went with $100 and somebody told you to buy gas of 90, you are remaining with only $10. You have been scammed already. That is my honest review. I am looking at the physical aspects. Another person will say, no, you are wrong. One is that if you're a networker and your target is to network, then you have not been scammed, because you are going to bring in more people and you will introduce the business to these people and you will make money. But for a trader, and most of us are traders, most of us want to make money, don't want to know about the networking stuff. So for that case, before you join the business, tell the person the truth. But then, how can you avoid this? I am going to break down the way you should invest in this platform to avoid being scammed. We are not going to talk about the settings, but we are first going to look at the invested money. One is that when you are investing, know that you're supposed to buy gas, of course. But then I recommend a ratio of 1 to 3. 1 to 3 means if you have like $300, you can spend $100 for gas and then trade with 200. But then if somebody told you to spend all the 300 for you to trade, then that is wrong. At worst, spend a ratio of 1 to 1. That is not fair, but it is good because you'll have bought bigger space to trade. I think that one is very clear. Other people just introduce you to the business and run. They don't give you proper settings. They just want the commission and go. And before you know it, you have lost your money. I have met people who have spent Uganda shillings 5 million and remain with nothing to trade, with the claims of bringing more people. Bringing more people is good, but then you need to trade. To make money, you need to teach somebody how to trade. So make sure that you open your eyes. So in the physical aspects, we realize that uTrading itself is not a scam, but then the people that promote it, somebody who introduces you to the business. I'm not saying the people promote it. There are very many good people out there that are promoting the business, and they have made people very rich, by the way. Understand that. I am giving you the honest review. I don't want you to say that people that are promoting uTrading are scammers or whatsoever. It depends with somebody's heart actually and the knowledge. I have 2 categories of people. There are people that actually do network marketing and they're teaching people how to trade, and people have never lost their money. And those people are also good. And then we have people that are purely network marketers. They don't know anything about uTrade, about cryptocurrencies, and they are marketing the business. And if they give to fellow network marketers, that is also good. The disadvantage is giving somebody who has come to just make money to enter the business without any knowledge. Now, let us look at the digital aspects. What are the digital aspects? I will say the digital aspects are actually very sensitive. First, we need to open uTrading and then look at the claims of this platform. They claim they do this, they claim they do the other thing, they claim they do this. Are they really legit? First, this is my account, and we need to see if really this uTrading is legit. One, they claim that they don't keep the money in their account, but in your exchange. If I open my account right now and tapped on assets, you realize that they are telling me that I have 400 in futures account and I have $46 in spot, and the available in futures is about 307. They're telling me this money is in my Binance account. How about uTrading? Do I have some money in uTrading? When I check uTrading, they are showing me the commissions I've made. The commissions I've made really don't matter as far as the reviews are concerned, but then what matters is being safe. That's why you are watching this video. So I'm seeing $24 in my uTrading account, and then I have about 1,000. My ugas has reduced. I have about that ugas. Do I really have that money? Because these people claim that this money is in my Binance. Is it really there? Is it true that I don't need to send money to uTrading? Let me check right here. Let me go to Binance. I think in Binance they're showing me, but now we saw that they told me that I have 421, but here I see 379. Where is my money? Where is my money? If these people say that they don't take the money is in my exchange, maybe let me tap on wallet and look for that money. If I fail to get that money, then maybe I'll say it is a scam. Yeah, I don't see it right here in spot. In spot they told me I have 47. Yes, that is true, I can see that. And then in funding I don't have any money. In earning I don't have any money. And then in features I see they told me they're available at 307, but again I see 333 34, and it is fluctuating. Okay, I see the 421 is right here, and the floating unrealized PNL is 87. That means I am trading, and I think the money that is missing is this money in red. Yeah, is that money in red? Okay, and then that one can satisfy me. I think I have my money in my Binance, and I trust. Now, my money being in Binance and it is connected to uTrading, am I safe? I think, how do I know that I am safe? I need to go, because Binance has all the securities, of course. Let me first check the API security. You need to watch this video to the end. You need to understand this. I need to go to API management, because this is one of the strongest security as far as other apps are concerned. Yeah, I want to know if I'm really safe, or maybe the robot is going to scam me. Yes, let me try to scroll down. This is uTrading, contact to you and uTrading. I need to tap on edit for me to navigate into this, and then try to open this. Okay. Now, when I tapped on edit, we saw this. Let me explain this, because we need to know if we are safe. First of all, enable reading. Enable reading is what made us see what is in Binance from uTrading, and it is what is making Binance also to read the uTrading. And then enable spot. You realize that this box here is checked manually. Enable spot means that we allowing the robot to trade. We allowing the robot to trade the money in our account right here in Binance. And then enable margin loans. Enable margin loans, you always see that you have $100 to trade, but then your account sometimes goes to 3,000 USDT. They borrow as much as 3,000 USDT to trade for you with your small $100. You would be wondering, how does this money reduce? They borrow money from the other traders, especially the sellers if you're a buyer, and from the buyers if you are a seller. So, and repay and transfer. So that is that. And then enable features. This actually makes this Binance, if you tick this, Binance allow the robot to enable features. And then you realize that permit universal transfers is not permitted. This is like reverse transfers. You might, if you tick this, it is possible that maybe you will withdraw from uTrading and then the money goes back. You get something like that. And then when we look at enable withdrawals, you find that this box is not checked. This box, if I check this box, then I will permit the robot to withdraw money from my account. So for that case, that robot is not permitted to withdraw my money. And then enable symbol whitelists. I will not talk about that because I don't know about that, but the most important thing is actually this one and this one. Those ones are not checked. Your question is uTrading a scam? It depends on how you treat it and how you do your settings. If you checked this, you will allow the robot to withdraw. I will not say that I should trust this robot. Do I even know the owner? And then why do I trust it 100%? So that means I will not allow it to do that. I will only allow it to do two things. That is of course doing what? That is of course enabling it to trade in spot, and enable it to trade in futures, and then enable it of course to read and enable margin loans, so that I can actually trade with this. Those ones are enough. So we have known this. If you checked on, if your account is like this, then you are safe. For that case, you either choose to make it a scam or choose to make it legit. I think that one has explained something. Allow me to chip in. There are most people that are out there, they are saying that if you're saying it's not a scam, why did I lose my money? Is that question good? If there's another question you need, leave it in the comment section below. Now, why did you lose your money? It is actually your settings that made you lose your money. Why? You get either your upline is going to sure tell you that the robot is 100% legit. Yes, the robot is legit, but then we are the people that make it a scam in a way that we want to trade with the grid. I'm telling you, even if you decided to trade with this Binance and you leave the robot, if you still come with the greediness, you will still lose money. How do you keep your money safe? Is the way you keep your money safe is actually trade wisely. Is actually to trade wisely. You don't need to include what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. You don't need to include fearing that you lose your money. You don't need to be excited, that is greed, thinking like having a mind that really wants much money. Let's say maybe you're trading a very good coin and it's your spade, then you increase the margin or increase more coins with your small capital. You'll definitely lose money. Trade with the peace. And then there are people that say this robot is good, come to this other robot. Let me tell you one thing. All those robots we are talking about, we are trading with the exchanges, a decentralized exchanges, Binance, Huobi, OKX, you name them, very many. All those robots are trading cryptocurrencies, and we are trading the same coins. So if somebody tells you the other robot is a scam, I will say that person is actually scamming you. The person himself or herself is a scammer. Cause if the robots are trading the same coins, how comes that one is a scam and the other is not? Then if this one is a scam, the rest are scams. If the other one is a scam, then this one is also a scam, because we are trading the same robots. Except it depends with the settings. Somebody who gave you the settings, one, and the way you approach the robot, two. There is no good robot, there is no bad robot. How you approach the robot matters. These robots have given us right from safe settings to difficult settings. You get. I'm going to post a video that is versing these robots. I want you to give me a comment in the comment section below. I want to tell me which robot can I compare with which particular robot. I will do that for you. And then I'm going to explain about uTrading in another video. So don't miss out. Hit on the like icon and also subscribe. Food for thought. Buy some coins and hold and make money this bull run. With that being said, I would say bye-bye for now. If you want to venture into cryptocurrencies and you want to understand cryptocurrencies in details, you want to become a master trader, you want to become an expert in crypto, there is a course in the description below. Check that course, sign up, and dive into the course to explore cryptocurrencies. We will handle futures trading, spot trading, and hodling, and more and detailed information about cryptocurrencies. Have a blessed day and bye-bye.